Hi guys, it's Colin and
Mason.
And what did you just do?
I burped.
It's better to get it out this end than the other end. Are we really having this conversation on camera?
Yep. Whoa!
Having a boy was the best thing ever.
Whoa!
See, because now I can have a reason to burp. This is not the burping Saturday. Okay, actually, true story. Whose idea was it to have a burping contest?
Yours.
And today's show is brought to you by the letter. I'm sorry, guys. This is so not going the way we planned. Yeah. I think this is going to be our blooper reel. No, that was forced. Anyway, have you guys ever just let loose, and I'm not talking flatulence, you were thinking it. I'm not talking about gas from any other end, but here.
That's fine.
The joys of boys. Today is brought to you by burps. We've almost went 2 minutes of just constant burping. So it actually was my idea. But I think we were all... This is so our blooper reel. We can't use this.
Oh, whoa. Whoa. I can't burp louder than you.
Okay, let me just rewind. Have you ever just decided what... Oh, man.
It was like...
Well, about 5 minutes ago, I'm like, Mason, because we were contemplating, we were actually talking about, we're going to talk about football, winning and losing, going to the playoffs, Fresno State stuff, becoming an entrepreneur. We were really discussing all these different things we were going to.
And then she comes up with the idea, let's have a burp contest. And then I slammed down like
so
much
you
soda.
talk to the viewers while I slam this, because I got to join this contest. And some of you may not like us anymore and unsubscribe. We get it. It's okay. Talk to them. They don't want to.
Burpity burp burp burp, and burpity burp 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 burp, and then she said that we need to do a burping contest, and we have to drink all 2 cups full
of soda pop.
Soda.
Is it soda for you or soda pop?
Oh my gosh! Whoa! That's the biggest I ever got.
This is 3 minutes of nothingness.
No, it's not.
For those of you that have boys,
have a burping contest.
It's a great way to see. We didn't win today, and we were not exactly thrilled with that outcome. And I know, yes, there is a moral to the story. We can't always win in life. But we can have a burping contest to change our energy.
Whenever you want to.
And that's truly the moral.
You can just be at McDonald's and then drink a big cup of soda and then be like, I would like a medium fry, please.
I think I just had soda come out my nose.
No,
I can't believe I don't have I had tons of burps for you. I'm so fired. I think he's burped enough for all of us.
No, I haven't.
Anyway, we hope you have a really bubbly, get it, bubbly with soda.
No.
I'm trying to work a burp up. Gosh darn it. Ladies don't burp.
And then you'd be like, can I have a big fry? And be like,
we love you guys.
Like,
Thanks for watching.
Bye. And then be like, I love